Yes, my viewers, as you can see, we have some pepper sucker here.
Respect and manners.
What you mean, man? Not going away. Whole heap of thing. Oh. Only Jamaican farmers out do them thing here. Yeah.
You don't know. Stay tuned.
Jamaican farmers. Hot.
Jamaican farmers.
Ready, we ready, and a gone, we gone. We are plant pumpkin and we are plant some corn. Yes, my people, welcome back to my channel. And please remember to like, share, and to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to see the next video coming out.
Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to the channel. Check my shirt. Check my shirt. Jamaican farmers out, alright? Don't forget to like, share, and to subscribe to my channel. It's all about the hills and valleys of Jamaica, alright? So stick around because there's a lot to show you guys. As you can see in the background, yeah, I'm in Campbell's, alright? Don't move because right now I'm going to show you some things what's going on here. See? Stay tuned. Yes, my viewers, as you can see, we have some pepper sucker here. Alright, yeah? We have, I think we have a cabbage, purple cabbage. Them purple one there?
Yeah, purple cabbage.
Oh, yeah man, purple cabbage. Yeah man, see manager, yeah, you know. Yeah man.
Yeah, man. Respect and manners.
What you mean, man?
Starting out, so stick around. We're going right to the farm now. Seeing? Yeah, man. So you don't know. Stay tuned.
Alright, you hear that? Seeing that is Barrington, alright, my viewers? So yes, stick around, man, alright? Yeah, my viewers, this is when time you're there at the plantation. When me come on the plantation, me look for sugar cane because me is a sugar cane guy. Kind of sugar cane type of guy. You know what I mean? So yes, my viewers. Not going away. Whole heap of thing. Oh. Sight? Sight. Yes, my viewers. We in the hills and valleys, you know, where we can drive. What you chat about? Yeah. Alright. A straight type farm we are drive. Go stick around. Yeah, we make one new road going at the bush. Seeing. You mean, man, only Jamaican farmers out do them thing here. Alright. Yeah, yes, my viewers. See the hills there? Yeah. Anytime you come at them place here, you're full of vibes and energy. You know? When you go on a trip like this, energetic. You hear the word? Yes, man, energetic. Jamaican farmers up, my viewers. Stick around, man. Whole heap of thing and go on site. Seen? Yes, I. We're there upon the journey. Yes, my viewers, we are here. Alright? We are here on the plantation. Check on the shirt. Jamaican farmers out, alright? So you hear me now? Right about now, they're on a lovely farm here. It's a new farm. You know what I mean? Yeah, it's a new farm. Just start to put two little things together and right? You know? Yes, it's all about. Seems like we have cabbage here and pepper. See what's going on. Yes, my viewers. And my subscribers. My hand subscribers. When you're gonna be my subscribers. Okay? Stick around. Look what's going on. We're here on this plantation here. Very beautiful. As you can see. Yeah? You only see this on Jamaican farmers hut, alright? As you can see, the land is lately burnt. Yeah? It is the best thing to do. Burn the land before plant. Yeah? Get rid of all those little insects in the earth. And as you can see, we have cabbage here. Yeah? These are cabbage. Just planted. Yeah, cabbage just planted. We have sweet pepper. Yeah, bell peppers. Yeah, lately planted. Yeah, man. See Sergeant there. Sergeant that, you know. Yeah, man. Sergeant that. As you can, way up ahead. Cabbage. Sweet pepper. Yeah. So yes, my viewers. Welcome my viewers to the new plantation, alright? We'll go through the farm, but we're not smash pan nothing. We have some some sucker here to drop out also. So yeah, it's all about. We on the farm. Yeah. Alright, this is the purple cabbage. So it name now?
Yeah, man. People call it purple, but it's
Hold on there.
actually on the pack.
I come to you, Sergeant. Yeah, man. Me viewers, Sergeant, go tell you what they're going. Yes, Sergeant, what you have inside here plant?
Yeah, man. Well, as you can see, this is a brand new little farm. Just start to put in some stuff around. So, we have some green cabbage and we have some purple. People call it purple, but it's red cabbage.
Okay.
Yeah, so, and we have some hybrid sweet pepper here, as you can see, just planted and start to come up.
Yeah.
But you know what I want? We don't have no water system. So we depend on the rainfall.
Oh.
For sure, say everything going on fine. See? So
Understand.
we get a little rain here now. So I'm back on the plantation again. To plant up something again. See, as you can see, we just have like 3 tree up there that we're gonna put in, like 2 sweet pepper and a tree of green cabbage. Okay? Yeah, so it's a lot of things that go on down here, man.
For real, man.
Lot of things in our valley here.
So how long you have been doing farming?
Well, boy, say, to be honest with you, I do farming over 20 years now,
Really?
Saying? Yeah, over 20 years. So, that's about 25 years. So, because I'm growing on strong.
Okay, for
See?
real, man.
So, yeah. So, it's over 20.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
So like planting this amount, you plan to sell?
Yeah, man. I plant myself, man.
I mean, if you plan to
sell,
sell
yeah,
back.
man. Yeah, man. Plan to sell, man.
Okay, for real, man.
Plan to make a money, man, because, the seed are expensive.
Yes, for real.
Yeah, the seed expensive. They if you keep off all the worm and all of them things there. So that's why like me use the chemical, the spray. Then what we would call the glyphosate, burn the land and then throw a fire on it. So me don't have to use like fertilizer and them something there.
Okay,
Still,
okay.
Because the fire burn off the insect.
Yeah.
So the fire burn off the insect, so me can deal with my thing.
Me understand.
Yeah, man. So cause me have to eat it too,
Yeah, for real, for real.
So me don't want no chemical in my system more than what me I consume already.
Thank
from
you.
others.
Yeah, so you're trying.
So me try to keep this.
Yeah.
To my eating suit and other people eat this, them still healthy, but what the amount of them consume already.
Yeah.
Me can't do nothing about that.
True.
But me can do about my own.
Yes, sir.
You understand?
Yes, sir.
So that's the thing when me I deal with, brother.
For real, man.
Yeah, and me plant like a lot of yam to same way.
Yeah.
So export me yam and me don't have the whole heap of money to buy fertilizer.
Yeah.
I don't say the whole heap of money, but me don't want a lot of fertilizer, brother. I just want keep it natural. Me yam them with a nice size piece and me cool.
Yeah. I understand. For
yeah,
real,
man. So
real.
that's how we deal with the farming to the most high.
Real, man. Blessings. Can't go more than so.
Yeah, man.
All right, this area where we at now, what them call this area?
This area from your boy, actually.
Yeah.
My father used to plant sugar cane there, so.
Okay.
My father used to have yam ground right there, so.
Yeah.
This used to be the sugar cane, big little place there, so.
Yeah.
See?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. So now no sugar cane, so we have to just do little farming. I try some catch crop and thing. So them call this area Big Bottom.
Oh, okay. In Campbell's.
In Campbell's.
Okay.
See? Campbell's.
Yeah. Right here in Trelawney.
Yeah, in Trelawney.
All right.
You know what I mean?
All right.
Yeah, man. So everything I work, no plug out, still in the farming, with the Jamaican farmers hut.
Yes.
Yeah.
For
yeah,
real.
man. So
all right, my viewers. We're there, my viewers. Yes.
So you can make them see the little purple cabbage them come up, the little baby them that we just put in.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, so like I just put in about 4 trays.
Okay.
And the baby them with about a couple hundred well in it.
All right. Now go check it out,
Yeah, man. So check it out, brother, and make the viewers them see what's going on.
All right.
Yeah.
Yes, my viewers, that was Barrington, Give you all those information. Yeah. As you can see. Yeah, the red cabbage. Some people call it the purple cabbage. So you put in about 100 in the ground. Yeah? So you don't know. My viewers. Yeah? It's all about the purple cabbage. Give you a nearer view. As you can see, this leaf have on some water because the rain was just falling. That is what we need here in the plantation. Yeah, so right along, it's cabbage and sweet pepper. Yeah, my viewers, just planted, lately planted. So Have to give them some time now for them to grow, you know. Yes, the man on the fork, you know what I mean? Yeah, man. Yeah. Want to give you guys an overhead from the drone, but trust me, I got the drone at this time to give you an overhead view. Alright. As you can see, dig the hole first. Yeah. And then drop in the pepper sucker. You know, this is not the greenhouse type, you know, because here we don't have the water source. Yeah, so it's all about we have to wait. You have to wait on the rain to fall. You know what I mean? That beautiful sunshine up there, but we need some water with the sunshine, all right? So yes, my viewers, man on the fork. Yeah, man. This is what's happening right now on the farm, you know what I mean? Yeah? Yes, I. Yeah, man, Jamaican farmers hut. As you can see, lately plant, but just give them 2 more weeks. Yeah, to change off. And then after the 2 weeks, and next week it started to blossom. Yeah, man. It's all about farming. You know, we have to plant. If we don't plant, we don't eat. You know what I mean? Yeah? For real. It's all about plant. I'm going to show you some bigger cabbage up the top there. I'm going to give you a view of those cabbage up there. Alright? Yeah, those one bigger than the one them down here. As them plant first. Alright? Yeah.
Me plant out the whole of down here, so me black out with cabbage and nest, brother.
You got some, man. What do you mean, man?
And guess what? Me don't want to build one little, I think one little trailer, I want a little tank down here, when I little tank.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, video.
Yeah, man. Go and do your thing, man.
Oh, I want a little tank down here, so me don't want, me don't put in a bus. I draw water come here.
Oh, me understand.
You know, so every day like me can with my pump, but this year me have carry down a pump.
You mean, man? If you pump water.
Yeah.
You got some, man.
Me don't intend to ship nothing out.
Yeah, you try it, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
If me go back, I have to have that pump and
You have to do some work.
do some work.
Yeah, for real. For real, man. Farming is a must, you know, man.
Yeah, man. So me just use it and use the fan. Because me carry on a spray pan, me have a nice spray pan.
Yeah. Oh, electric?
No.
Oh, because an electric one, them see them leak there, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Electric pump. Technology. Yeah. I see Alex have one with the engine.
Yeah. So I think I want to run electric to Mr. Reed.
Okay.
Let's set up his stick.
Yeah. Yeah, my viewers, when we're up on the plantation, there's a lot of things you see on the plantation, you know what I mean? Yes, as you can see, a little rock here, yeah? But what is magnificent is this. You know what is this? Yeah, my viewers, this is a little catchment. So if the rain fall, yes, it is a little catchment. So if that big bucket full, yeah, we have the side here where we can catch some also. So yes, my viewers, this piece of zinc here catch a lot of water when the rain fall. You know what I mean? Yeah. So as you can see inside here, we have a little water. Yeah, man. So if you come to the plantation, you can wet something. Yeah. All right. This is the cave, no? The rock, a little small rock. Give you a view inside. Yeah. Yeah, my viewers. This is what you see on the plantation. All right. Over here, we have 3 tray over here. Yeah. These are sweet pepper. Yeah. Just come from the nursery, ready to plant. Yeah. And this is the cabbage. All right, my viewers. So yes, we are here. We have a coconut here to plant. This is a coconut start to grow. So this is how we wait until it grow out, then we plant it. All right. So yeah, man. It's all about Jamaican farmers hut. All right. Saying. Yeah, man. So the tree tree.
Uh-huh.
Are you plant them?
Yeah,
Are
man.
you sow them?
Yeah, man.
Okay.
Sow them all by finger.
Oh, you put in one
One
seed.
seed.
Me understand. Oh, so
See?
you do your own nursery.
One nursery.
Yeah.
Me have a little thing that me build up at home.
Oh.
So during my spare time, I see that I do. So I end
Yeah.
up I have lots more down there.
Yeah. Okay. Okay.
You know?
To come and plant out.
to come and plant out.
Okay. Okay. That's
you know?
good, man.
Yeah,
That's
man.
good.
So by finger and a little tweezer,
yes.
couldn't believe I would do like 10 of those in a day.
Drop them out
Yeah,
one
in
one.
less than a day.
Yeah.
And move on to something else.
For real, man. For real. For
you
real.
know?
For real.
So, yeah,
for
so
real,
I just
for
buy
real.
my soil from the seed store.
Oh.
Yeah, sometimes I go to Grace or even one of those hardware store and buy a bag of soil or 2 bags of soil.
Yeah.
And I just sow my trees. So
Okay.
I don't sow to sell.
Yes, me understand.
Yeah, I just sow to plant for my own use.
Yes, yes.
But sometimes a friend would want a few suckers and I just say, yeah, man.
True,
See,
true.
you can get a dozen, you know, a dozen green bell.
Yeah.
Yeah, and a dozen red cabbage and a dozen. Yeah, you understand green cabbage same way. So
It's all about, yeah?
yeah, so
Yeah, man.
you know, so we have to keep the thing real.
How you mean, man? For real, man?
Yeah, man.
Yes,
Yeah,
I.
the real thing, you know.
All right,
Jamaican farmers out. Oh gosh, you're doing great.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, can't explain it to viewers.
See?
For real, man.
Yeah, man.
All right, my viewers, we're there, we'll put in some work. So, stick around and you will see what they want. Seen? Seen. Yes, my viewers, as you can see, the open here, it was a big plantation back in the days. 20 years back, yeah, here was a big plantation. All right, underneath here was a hut. Remember we always say Jamaican farmers hut? Yeah, when we talk about Jamaican farmers hut, this is what we talk about. The hut was here. And as you can see, this is what represents the hut right now. And the looks of it, you can know that there was a hut here. This is a drum. All right? This is a drum, my viewers. As you can see, the hut was here and the drum was here. This is the drum that keep all the drinking water. When you come here to drink a cup of water out of this drum here, you don't want to stop. It is like it off the fridge. So I'm saying, so right now, I'm going to go back to Barrington to ask how long this drum has been here. All right? So yeah, gonna get you that information. So, yeah, Barrington.
Yeah, man.
Me see one drum over the corner there. What they go on for jump? Cause it look like a long time it did. How long you think you jump there over there?
Oh, yeah, that jump they did there over 20 years, you know.
Oh,
See?
oh, okay.
Over.
Yeah.
So because right there used to be our hut.
Oh,
That's
okay.
My mom and my dad.
Yeah.
And me, myself, with the other rest of siblings them.
Yeah.
So all of us, that's how we used to race.
Okay.
And then we go up on the hill,
Yeah.
where you can see far up there,
Yeah.
and get the yam stick and come down.
Oh,
so
okay.
lots of yam used to be here.
Yeah.
Okay, and my dad used to have the sugar cane over there.
Okay.
So I know easy nothing used to go along, yes.
My God, about
Seen?
20-25 years ago.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. So sometimes we have to chop it all on the patois side.
Yes, man. Very
And
real,
make them
man.
know, say, well, it's the Jamaican people, them not easy.
Very real,
And
man.
the one them are willing for work, and a easy thing them go through for work, brother.
Yeah.
So
for
farming not easy, so I don't want no man tell me nothing about farming.
real. Yeah.
See? So we just do what we have to do, you know, and try to make farming easy for we.
For real,
Because
man.
when you make your money, after you're done farming and make the money, that's
Yeah.
the time it's easy.
That is a pretty time.
Okay? That's the pretty time.
Yeah.
So that's the time me love. So that's why me have to put in the work and get the time when me love.
For real,
Yeah, man. So yeah, so used to be where we eat a lot of food from.
Yeah.
And still I eat food from it.
What you mean, man?
Still continue, brother.
Yes, my
So,
viewers.
you know, as you can see, people, I know easy thing go on here, so.
For real, man.
Yeah, man. Used to go on in a little hills and valley, we call it Big Bottom.
Yeah, back in the days.
Back in the days.
Until now.
Until now.
It is still going on.
Still going on.
Yes, man.
You know?
For real, man.
Yeah, man. Drive right through the hills to come down here.
Yeah.
Oh, my God. So, that little van there, don't take it simple.
Yes, my viewers.
Yeah, man. Don't
Right
take
through
it
the hills
simple,
and the valleys. Yeah?
man. That little van there, man.
Yes,
Drive
I.
through the hills and the valley.
For real,
You know what I
man.
mean? So, yes, my people are not normal. So, we have to do what we have to do
Yeah, for real, man.
in the farm.
Yeah, man,
And
for
so, we
real.
still do it. And
Alright.
me and Fark.
You mean?
Okay? Still a do it on the iron part. So,
Yes, if you was.
Not normal, man.
All right, sir.
The dirt not too bad, you know.
Yeah.
This is just the red loom.
Okay, red
So
loom
the
dirt.
backside. Yeah,
Okay.
the backside want it, but in can't touch yaso, because yaso is done by land, you know.
Yes, me
So if him cut
understand.
it out and don't left no road for me and him a go feet.
Head to head.
Head to head. You know? So yeah, man. So we just respect the people them and respect who doing the farming and who want to do farming and who don't start the farming yet. Please join in.
It's time to get ready, man.
See? Time to get ready and join in the farming, because farming sweet.
Yes, man. for
Okay?
real.
Only tell the people them do. Make we get the right seed.
Yes.
Okay?
That's
Just
the
make we
next
get the
thing.
right seed where we can,
Yeah.
when we spend our money and buy seed, we are get the right thing.
Yeah, for real.
So when we plant, we expect to see it grow.
Yeah, organic way.
Okay? And if we don't get the right seed and we plant, all right, we say we sow some seed now. Buy 2 pack of seed and just buy 2 pack of 10,000 and you sow that. When you check the level, you don't get nothing from it.
Yeah.
You lose some money there, sir. Okay? Plus your time and everything. Then you have to go restart again.
True.
And when you
man.
go and restart again, you get a few.
True.
What you think? That will break people mind and heart too.
Yeah, from farming.
From farming.
Yeah, man.
Okay?
Real,
So which
real.
is in the farming where I get some real bad seed, because me try some canned seed up in the ground already. Them don't come to nothing.
All right.
Okay?
For real.
So me I tell them that on Jamaican farmers hut. Okay? So me I tell them the people them who
in
charge of the seed business. So
seeding,
when
yeah.
you're getting the seed from wherever you get it from, especially to like the Agro Grace, the other big seed stores them. Okay? This is a valuable point.
Yeah,
when
man, for
me
real.
I try to make.
For real.
Okay? Because we get seed, lots of it, and it's not me alone as farmer get seed, and we get real bad seed.
Just a leave of Barrington ground. All right, Barrington plantation. Yeah. Right now, I go on a next plantation. So look out in the next video to see the next plantation. All right. So one love, my viewers. Peace. See you in the next video. All right.